Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna help you guys out if you guys are stuck right now with a no crank, no start issue and no power. Okay, so basically the symptoms of this issue is you guys have absolutely no power in your car. Zero power, as if the battery was taken out of the car, as if your cables were disconnected from your battery. Nothing works. No lights, no chimes, no sounds, zero power whatsoever. Now, here's the thing. A lot of the times, this could be caused by a couple of situations. You could have a battery that is 100% dead. If your battery is 100% dead, you will have absolutely no power whatsoever because it's 100% drained. You will hear no noise, no lights on the dash, nothing. However, in these situations, you could still jump the battery and your car will turn back on. In this situation, however, even if you put the cables or if you use a power pack on the battery, you will hear nothing. There will be no spark when you put the cables to the battery. There will be no noises, no sounds, no slow crank, nothing whatsoever. No chimes, no ring, nothing. All right. I'm going to tell you guys what causes this and how to solve it. One of the main things that could cause it is a ground wire that is disconnected from the battery, or maybe the terminals are so corroded that the terminals has no connection to the cables, have no connection to the terminal of the battery. However, that is very rare. It does happen, but it's very rare. But in a lot of Hondas, if you have this situation, most of these situations is caused by the main battery fuse. It's either called the main fuse or it's called the multi-block fuse. It is the main fuse that pretty much connects the battery itself to the fuse box, and the fuse box is connected to the rest of the car, electrical system in the car. So if that main fuse, if that multi-block main fuse is blown, or if it's not working, you will get no power whatsoever. All right. In this situation, you're going to need to change out the multi-block main battery fuse. It's very simple to do. It's at the very beginning of the fuse box. Now, here's how you can test it out. If you guys want to, you could take two screwdrivers, and you could pretty much put one end to one of the bolts, put another end to the other bolt, and you can connect the metal portions of the screwdriver just to test out to see whether your car starts or not and everything lights up. Because if everything starts, everything lights up, that means that the main battery multi-block fuse on your Honda has been blown. As a result, there is absolutely zero connection between the battery, electricity from the battery, to any other portion of your Honda. All right, the multi-block fuse is inexpensive. You go to any AutoZone, Advanced Auto, any auto parts stores, they'll sell it. It's anywhere from $10 to $15. If you need to, if you're stuck in a situation where you cannot get to one of these stores, you can actually, if you have maybe a 12 gauge wire, you can actually connect the 12 gauge wire from one portion from the nut to the other nut. That 12 gauge wire acts as a fuse. That's only in an emergency. If you guys actually need to do that, you guys can definitely do that. Get to AutoZone or Advanced Auto, and in that case, that you can get the fuse, and you could actually properly put the proper fuse in, and your car will work without any issues if this is what's causing your no power issue in your Honda. No crank, no start, no power, no electrical current of any kind going through your vehicle. Hope this has helped you guys out, and hope this this video has pretty much helped you guys find or fix your issue. If you guys have any comments or any kind of your personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. All right, guys. Take care.